Well, I'm going to have to walk you through it while keeping one eye on the door because this just happened. We just ran outside and the first 3 or 4 people from the courtroom just came out, including some students who went to high school with Jonah Poole and his girlfriend. They went to Southern High School. They were seniors at the time that the state says both of them planned, carried out the murder of 67-year-old garden shop owner Edward Koza. Jonah Poole, 19 now, pleaded guilty in a plea deal with the state, guilty to 1 count of first-degree murder, and in exchange, he was going to get life with the possibility of parole. At his sentencing today, the state went through their evidence, including Snapchat exchanges he had with Kylie Dacus, his alleged co-conspirator, a few hours after the murder, video and still photos of him in the process of lighting Mr. Koza's truck on fire. And we heard victim impact statements, including from a longtime worker, woman who worked with Edward Koza at the garden shop. Then we heard from the defense and the defendant himself, who told the judge, I will deserve what you give me. Give me what I deserve. I don't expect anyone to forgive me. I'm so sorry for anybody that I've hurt. The defense attorney said he is remorseful, but the judge cited conflicting things he's told various people. She had a stack of documents. Everything said something different about his background. And she said, I don't know what Jonah Poole is sitting before me here now. His attorney said, because of his age at the time, he had a bad childhood, his background, substance abuse and mental health issues, that he should get life, suspend all but 30 years, and be referred to a youthful offender program. The judge, when it was her turn to hand down the sentence, essentially said, if I was not bound by this plea deal, you'd be getting life without parole. But she was bound by a plea deal. She sent him to life in prison. He does have the possibility of parole. She said she will refer him to a youthful offender program. But she said in all of this, the court still has a question that has never been answered, which is why? There's much more that came out in court today, which we didn't know before, and that is coming up at 5 o'clock. From now, we're outside here of court waiting to hear from family and friends and attorneys from both sides for their reaction to the sentence today. The first of 2 teens charged in this horrific murder last spring, life in prison with the possibility of parole.